Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make 3D pop-up album effect in CapCut video editor. Alright, tap on your project and select the photos you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So there are few photos here, and I'm going to add the 3D pop-up album. Just tap on the clip, select the style and go to split and select the pop-up album. Just wait. Alright, check marks and apply to another clip. So do as before. So this is big. Can use only 2 photos. Alright, so this is the final effect you'll have on your video. So you can also add the transition. Apply to all the clip and check marks. So here we go. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.